Pwede po ba kayo ma-interview po?
Sure.
So, we have three questions lang po. So, the first question is, what are the differences of use to other strands?
Ang youth kasi, more on communication kasi ang YUMS kasi ay more on law kasi siyempre ang kukunin mo sa college is criminal and education. Tapos, yun. And more on SAD ang YUMS. Like activities, more is reportings, and from now on is research.
Last question was is, how do you encourage students to choose
Hindi ko naman ma-encourage ang depende sa choices nila. But, isipin na lang nila kung yung kukunin ba nilang course sa college is connected sa yun or sa another strand. Kung kukunin nila is electrical engineering or doctor, so they can choose a STEM. But if they choose education, HR, or lawyer, they can choose youth. But youth is better because there are a lot of education research there. There are a lot of opportunities na nila at